TARS is ready.
Send email.
What is the subject?
I don't know. Something. Reverse Python?
What should I say?
Singing. Okay, it's whatever you want, just make sure that the mail is sent. Okay, TARS? Okay.
Email sent.
Oh, okay. So, the TARS cannot detect what I'm saying.
What is the subject?
No, okay, just, oh my god, just stop sending emails. Let's go and check. Okay. My god. The subject is singing, and the description is okay Google, sent from me. Hey devs, welcome to the next lab of Reverse Python. In this lab, we're going to build demo TARS from Interstellar movie with Python. TARS can help you automate your tasks such as search and play YouTube videos, send emails, open websites, search and read Wikipedia, inform weather forecast, greetings and more. By building TARS, you will increase your Python knowledge and learn many useful libraries. Let's start by creating virtual environment and building the base audio system of TARS. Now we are going to install few important libraries, and while installing, let me quickly explain you what are these libraries. GTTS, or Google Text-to-Speech, is a Python library and CLI tool to interface with Google Translate's text-to-speech API. This module helps to convert string text to spoken text and can be saved as audio file. Speech recognition is an important feature in several applications used such as home automation and artificial intelligence. Recognizing speech needs audio input, and speech recognition makes it really simple to retrieve this input. Instead of building scripts from scratch to access microphones and process audio files, speech recognition will have you up and running in just few minutes. To access your microphone with Speech Recognizer, you will have to install the PyAudio package. Pygame is a cross-platform set of Python modules designed for writing video games. It includes computer graphics and sound libraries designed to be used with the Python programming language. And I guess you already know what is Selenium and Beautiful Soup, so let's jump to the next section and build voice system of TARS. As you see, we are passing audio as an argument to let the TARS speak. Program will loop these lines with the help of splitlines method. This method is used to split the lines at line boundaries. Then GTTS will handle to convert all these text to speech. Text parameter defines the text to be read. Once loop finished, save method writes results to file. Pygame.mixer is a model for loading and playing sounds and must be initialized before using it. Alright, now let's create a function that will listen for commands. In this function, we are using speech recognition library. It acts as a wrapper for several popular speech APIs and it's extremely flexible. One of these, the Google Web Speech API, supports as a default API key that's hard-coded into the speech recognition library. That means you can get off your feet without having to sign up for a service. To be able to work with your own voice with speech recognition, you need to PyAudio package. Like Recognizer for audio files, we will need microphone for real-time speech data. You can capture input from the microphone using the listen method of the Recognizer class. This method takes an audio source as its first argument and records input from the source until silence is detected. Try to say your commands in silence place with less background noise, otherwise TARS can confuse. When TARS didn't get the command, we will handle the error by random sentences. So once you run the program, TARS will start talk with you by saying TARS is ready and continue to listen your commands until you stop the program. Start by saying hello to her. Okay, now it's time to test it.
TARS is ready.
Hello?
Hello, I am TARS. How can I help you?
Great. It's working. Now let's implement new functionality to TARS so she can open Google and search something for us. We are going to import web browser model in Python, which provides an interface to display web-based documents. While we are saying commands, TARS have to detect availability of these commands by matching them. Python has a built-in package called regex, which can be used to work with regular expressions. The search method takes the regular expression pattern and the string. It searches for that pattern within the string. If the search is successful, search method returns a match object or none otherwise. Therefore, the search is usually immediately followed by if statement to test the if searches succeed. So, by using regex, TARS will consider strings after open Google and search for command and takes all words as a search key. Alright, let's test it now.
TARS is ready.
Open Google and search for NASA.
Searching for NASA. Excuse me.
Okay, it searched for NASA. We successfully, or the TARS actually successfully searched for NASA.
Please.
Okay, just let's stop the program now, because she's keep asking me. Alright, that's all for this episode of TARS series, but we will continue to improve it next episode, so make sure you're staying connected by subscribing the Reverse Python. See you very soon, devs. Stay connected.